1 minute, you're working. The next minute, your screen turns bright blue and your computer says something went wrong. Ah yes, the legendary blue screen of death. It always shows up at the worst possible times. But here's the good news. Windows 11 just made BSODs, or blue screens of death, a little less scary and a little less mysterious. Let me show you how they did that and what's new. Before we get to the good stuff, please drop down below and hit that like and subscribe before you go. It really helps us out, and it'll help you out by bringing you information like this. New changes made by Microsoft, right? Technology is always changing. It's important to stay up to date with those changes and know what's going on. If you hit that like and subscribe down below, you've got a high chance of being in the know. All right, now let's jump into it. Microsoft is rolling out a new feature. What's changing? Well, if you have a crash, you get the BSOD, or blue screen of death, Windows may just automatically prompt you to run a memory scan. Instead of you having to Google the error, guess what happened, or dig around for hidden tools, Windows will now just say, hey, want to check your memory? We'll check it out for you. And that memory check uses the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, which most people probably didn't even know existed. It's a tool you should have been running when you were crashing before or BSODing before, but now it's just going to trigger on its own, okay? This is huge because what does it detect? Well, it detects things like memory problems, meaning RAM issues. That's one of the most common causes of the blue screen of death. If your RAM is overheating, failing, unstable, or just aging, Windows will crash to protect your data. Before this update, most people would just kind of hope for the best. They just restart their computer, fire it back up. Now, Windows immediately tests your memory and tells you what the cause of the crash was. Likely, again, either going to be a RAM problem, a driver issue, or just some random software conflict that's going on in the background, okay? That removes a lot of guesswork. They're going to kind of help you narrow it down, tell you what's going on. Now, the tool does have some limitations, but for the most part, it should help people figure out why the computer crashed, right? And then how to avoid it or fix it. How does the scan work? Well, it works this way. If you accept the prompt, your computer restarts into a special testing mode. It scans your RAM outside of Windows, so no background apps interfere. And when it's done, you'll get a clear summary explaining if your memory passed, if it detected hardware failure, or if you should look elsewhere. And if it's serious, Windows may even suggest replacing the memory module. Now, this new memory scan is not really new per se, right? It's using old tools, but it's the way that it works. It's a great step forward. A lot of people have crashes or blue screens of death. They might even not even know. It might like happen while the computer's running at night. And if you don't know, it might just reboot. You never caught it. Sometimes you do catch it. Sometimes it keeps happening. But with this tool now automatically kicking off when it happens, it's going to help you determine what's going on a little bit better. If your computer keeps crashing, especially repeatedly though, you should reach out to us here at My Computer Works. As I mentioned earlier, we'll help you out. Drop down below, hit that like and subscribe before you go, and I'll see you all on the next one.